Let us understand e-commerce catalogs. E-commerce is nothing but buying or selling of products or services over the internet. Such an e-commerce consists of a number of catalogs. Such an e-commerce catalog is an online document which is generally referred to as a web page, and such a web page consists of the information, that is it showcases or it displays all the products or services that are offered by the business organization. And when we say it is a web page, such a web page is created with multimedia content. That is, it consists of text, images, audios, videos. In this way, a web page consists of multimedia information. So, an e-commerce catalog is prepared with a description, that is about the product or services that are made available, and images, pricing information, payment details, etc. Nowadays, online sellers even provide fully searchable database of items in order to improve the shopping experience of customers. In fact, two types of searching facilities are available: text-based search facility and voice-based search facility. Both of them are there to improve the shopping experience. Once an e-commerce catalog, that is a web page, is published, the business organization conduct a market research to understand customers' attention. Then the results are analyzed and necessary measures are taken to attract more and more customers. And the main aim of e-commerce catalog is to attract many and many customers and do some advertising also. So it even acts as a marketing tool so that it improves the business opportunities. In e-commerce, there are business to consumer transactions, there are business to business transactions, and hence these e-commerce catalogs act as excellent communication tools among all the business partners like suppliers, distributors, customers, etc. So, the e-commerce catalog is becoming a marketing tool. In fact, it became a marketing tool for business organizations. And the cost of this e-commerce catalog depends on a number of features that it provides. Because e-commerce catalog, that is a web page, consists of different types of content: text, images, audios, videos. So more is the number of features, more will be the price of the e-commerce catalog. And there are different types of e-commerce catalogs. In business to consumer model, online sellers maintain individual web pages. But when it comes to business model, the business organizations maintain e-commerce catalog on their general websites also. Because companies not only contain the e-commerce websites, they do even contain general websites also, and business organizations post such e-commerce catalogs even on their general websites also, in order to promote the business by drawing the attention of customers. So that is the main intention of e-commerce catalog. So we understood that e-commerce catalog is an online document which is generally a web page which consists of product description with the text, images, pricing information, payment methods, audio reviews or video reviews. In this way, it consists of multimedia content, and its main intention is to attract more and more customers, and it is also meant for doing some advertising so that it improves business opportunities. It even acts as a as a communication tool. In this context, let us understand the advantages of e-commerce catalog. The first and foremost advantage that we derive from e-commerce catalog is low cost. Earlier, business organizations used to prepare printed catalogs. That too, they were printed on costly glossy paper, very shiny paper. Such printed catalogs cost more because they have to make use of very good paper, glossy paper. So certainly the printed catalogs cost more, and their printing, distribution, all these things involve spending a lot of amount. However, in case of online catalog publications, it is easy to publish them. Similarly, they cost very less when compared to printed catalogs. So the first advantage that we derive from e-commerce catalog is low cost. Second, multimedia content. The e-commerce catalog, that is web pages, can be created using different types of data, that is multimedia data. Text, audios, videos, images. So these are all the things that are primarily meant for attracting the attention of customers. So that is the biggest advantage of e-commerce catalog when compared with the printed uh, catalog. Next one, it is the global reach and market expansion. The e-commerce catalog, that is web page, has a global reach. That is the reason why business organizations can gain new customers from any corner of the world. Once a web page is created and published, then anybody across the globe can access that particular web page. So, e-commerce catalogs have global reach, because of which the business organizations can gain new customers. So what is the advantage? By providing the required products or services to such new customers who are coming from all corners of the globe, may be provided excellent products or services, required products or services, because of which the business organizations can expand their business. That is a third advantage. Next one is highly accessible. The e-commerce catalog can be accessed on any device that has internet connectivity. Nowadays, there are different types of electronic devices like mobiles, television sets, desktop computers, laptop computers, or tabs. In this way, there are different types of electronic devices, and these e-commerce catalogs can be accessed on any such devices. That is the biggest advantage. So e-commerce catalogs are highly accessible. And the next advantage, and the last one, it is interaction. The e-commerce catalogs, because they are primarily web pages, provide interaction. This provides better services to customers. The business organizations can receive comments or suggestions. Based on them, the business organizations can provide better services. Further, the business organizations can provide advices to customers in selecting the right product. This is even known as chart and shop facility. So these are all the advantages of e-commerce catalogs.